I've met a lot of Christians who believe that because they've gone to church and had this very beautiful, elaborate ceremony, so automatically they have a valid marriage. I do not like to be the bearer of bad news, but the truth is that it's not in all church ceremony, all the wedding ceremony conducted in church that qualifies as a valid legal marriage. There are many circumstances where your church wedding may not qualify. Let me put a bit of perspective to this. Ordinarily, it is only the government that have the power to issue you wedding license. Just like birth certificates, no matter how big the hospital is, no hospital has the right, the legal authority to issue a birth certificate for your baby. You eventually have to go to the government to obtain the birth certificate. That is exactly how marriage license works. Ordinarily, it's only the government that has the power to issue it. However, some churches have been licensed by governments to conduct or perform marriage on behalf of the government, following very strict rules. There are regulations that guide the whole process, the entire process. I know the next question you want to ask me is that how will I know if my wedding qualifies as a valid legal marriage? One of the easiest ways to know is to check your wedding certificate. If you find the Nigerian coat of arms on it, it is very obvious that you had a valid legal marriage. But when you check and all you see is the sticker of your GO, it's not a problem anyway, because it can qualify as a valid customary marriage if you have met the conditions on that customary law. That is, you have paid bride price and met all the preconditions, that the culture or the custom has prescribed. There's something I've also heard a lot of preachers say. Preachers say, if you find any girl you want to marry in this church, the two of you just come to me, I will bless you. I will bless you. I've heard a lot of preachers say it. That practice is unknown to Nigerian law. Under Nigerian law, it is alien. It is not recognized. There's also this practice now, this trend of people taking their pastors to the beach or to certain very fine destinations. I hope you have first gone to the marriage registry. And I hope you have also settled your in-laws properly before you carry somebody's daughter to the beach. Because if at the end of the day, that your wedding does not qualify as a valid legal marriage, at least village people will embrace you because they know that you have done the needful. This is not to scare anybody. I don't have the intention to scare you. Just for you to know so that you can put your house in order.